blue color. Wow, ducklings. Hello, this is a ducklings that we get earlier. Wow, very cute with a yellow color. Okay, let's release the ducklings into a wild rice so he can swim and playing. Look, she is very happy. Red color. Hamster. Hello, this is hamster we got earlier. Wow, he is very chubby. The type is winter white. Okay, let's release this hamster into the ground so he can play. Look, he is very happy. Wow. Yellow color. Chick. Hello, this is the chick that we got earlier. Wow, look, she is very cute. Let's release the chick into the ground so he can play with the others.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Orange color. Wow, rabbit. Hello, this is the rabbit we got earlier. Wow, the color is white and black, and he has long ears. Wow, very cute. Okay, let's release the rabbit into the ground, and I will give a banana. Here, banana. Yummy. purple color. Toot. Lovebird. Hello, this is a lovebird that we got earlier. Wow, the color is yellow and green, and the beak color is red. The beak is very strong and sharp. Out. Okay, I have a check for the lovebird. Let's put the lovebird into a check.
Dropped it, a little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way.
Green color. Wow, green frog.